Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for Paradigm Analytics. This video is part of our ThinkorSwim tutorial series. Today we will review how to place a buy order in ThinkorSwim. Let's get started. Begin by logging into ThinkorSwim's desktop app. If you do not have the desktop version, you can download it at tdameritrade.com or use the web-based version by going to trade.thinkorswim.com. Now that you are logged in, begin by selecting the Trade tab near the top of your screen. In the search bar, type the ticker symbol or company name you would like to purchase. For this example, let's trade Apple. You can enter their ticker symbol AAPL, or if you didn't know the ticker, type Apple and it will bring up the ticker symbol for you. Click the ticker or hit enter on your keyboard. Left-click with your mouse on the ask price to begin purchasing the stock. An initial default order entry will be generated near the bottom of the page. You can see it shows we are buying and defaults to 100 shares. To change the amount, simply use the plus or minus toggles or write in the number of shares you desire to purchase. If you are not sure how many shares you want but know the dollar amount you wish to purchase, you can change your unit of measurement to dollars by clicking on the icon to the left. Moving to the right, you can see the current price the stock is trading at as well as the type of order you would like to use. We will use a limit order to dictate the maximum price we are willing to pay for each share. Moving further to the right in the time in force column, we will select the duration we would like the order to remain open. For this example, we will select GTC, which stands for good till cancelled. Once your order is complete, simply select confirm and send. An order confirmation summary will populate showing the result of the order you are about to execute. Once you have verified the order is correct, hit send and the order will be executed as soon as possible. That is how you place a buy order in ThinkorSwim. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to hit subscribe to be alerted when additional ThinkorSwim tutorials are published. We look forward to seeing you at our website at www.buildyourparadigm.com.